Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ellie. I live off-grid here for 13 years in Portugal. I am in the midst of building my home, which is made of sand, straw and clay. And this video is just a very quick update of the progress of our home. What I'm gonna share in this video is the thing that we already did is when you are building your home, the walls, and you have additional walls that you're gonna build afterwards, that you don't have to do it now, you're gonna add it later. There is something that you can do with this wall of the outside wall, so that when you're gonna build the inner wall to attach it, I will show it to you in a bit. And for the rest, we are at the point on the walls that we're gonna put our windows, and we are stopping now with the working for now, like 1.5 weeks, because this part of the job, me and my partner Danielle, we need to be together to do this, and we have to do it for some days in a row to settle the windows. So that's where we at right now, and I will show it to you in a bit. So for now, let me show you how to attach the inner walls with the outer walls of the house, at least for planning it for the future when you're finished with your walls, the outside walls. So here we are. This is the part where the wall of the cupboard is gonna come. Did I said that actually? What it is actually? So the inner wall that I'm gonna build up later is for the cupboard. So there's one more thing that I actually have to add. This stick. Well, I will explain it in a bit. So the wall is gonna come like this in this area, so the wall is gonna start from this angle here. So we already built the stick. You can build anything. Well, I mean, of course you can build anything. I mean, the object that you can use, the object is just something that's sticking out, so it can be any stick, whatever material, it doesn't matter. This is also a great way to, like, if you have metal garbage things and this is the way to put them in, because you can bury a lot of stuff in here, things to stick out, to hold something with each other. If you have something like with metal, it's always great. So for now we just did this piece of wood, and we use this for the roofings. So you bury it in the cob and you let a piece sticking out. I think this part of the wood is pretty long, so that it can be that the cob can hold it really well. And we actually started a little bit too late with it, but it's fine. That's not really a problem, because the floor level is low here. So if you know where the floor level is, then you can start already making. I could have like making two, but it's not really a big issue. As long as you start, this is just on time. So when we're gonna make the little foundation with stones, and we're gonna start building up the inner wall with cob, then when you're gonna come here, you're gonna go around it with the cob, and it's attached with this, and it holds the wall in place much more safer. And it's really helpful, and it's just a very simple trick to add other walls that, you know, if you can already plan ahead, like maybe I'm gonna make another extra room or bathroom or whatever, or maybe you don't know exactly what it's gonna be, at least put already the sticks already in, and then you can always add it later on. So that's what we doing here. Let me show you where it's gonna go, how the cupboard is gonna be. So this is the stick, so the wall is gonna come all the way here till here. This is the part where we're gonna build up the wall till the ceiling, and this is gonna be an opening, and then you come in, and this is gonna be all cupboards. So this is gonna be a cupboard. There's gonna be shelves, and here it's gonna be all shelves and a lot of shelves to put all the goodies and the foodies that you want to harvest and just keep in. I'm just really excited for this cupboard. I think it is one of the highlights is the cupboard and the windows, but the cupboards, oh my, love the cupboard. So and we're just gonna leave it open with a curtain that you just can go in. So that's the little bit of update that we already started with. So the next cob layer that we're gonna put on top, we're gonna add another stick, maybe a little bit smaller, it depends what we have, and we're gonna add some sticks. I hope Danielle is actually streaming right now, and I know it's not a really good time to do the video, so I hope it's not gonna be disturbing. So if you're hearing some noise, Danielle is streaming very quickly before dinner. So the next thing what I'm really excited about is also the windows. So I'm gonna show you where we're gonna put the windows. Alright. This is the part where we actually have to stop with the cob making, because we already made the measurement. We already figured out which windows we are gonna put in. If you're interested to see behind the scenes what we use, what the measurement and how we do it exactly with the nitty-gritty, you can I have a link below behind the scenes, and you can be a member, and that we showing everything with all the measurement and how we do it. So we did all the measurement. We already have the windows that we're gonna use, and are actually second-handed windows. We have a sky window that you put on the roof. It's just from a friend that he replaced them, and we just took them. But where we're gonna start right now on this particular layer of cob is the double windows, but these windows are from the cars. So the front glass of the car, and on the back we're gonna use those windows. They are very tall, and they're also very strong, so they don't when you can bury them in the cob, because I don't know if you're aware of that, but car glasses or windows, they don't break, so they how do you say this, they shatter, then they break, and that's why it's very easy to get window glasses, window shields to put in cob, because they are a really good way to make windows, and it's easy to make. Well, at least we actually used in the toilet. We did also a double glaze. Yeah, it's just amazing. It's so easy to make, and they're very strong. You don't need to make a frame with them. You just bury them in the cob. So that's what we are gonna do now, and that's why me and Danielle, we need to be together to do this. And while we are doing this, we need to have because there's going to be a window here, and they're going to be tall, and this is the south area. So trying to do as much windows here, especially for the winter when the sun is very low, that I can get as much light as possible inside of the house. Because one thing that I just don't want to have is a dark home. It doesn't make me happy. I need to have a lot of sun, and especially in the winter time, because we live in a valley. So in this place we get a lot of sun, but for example where our caravan is now, they already cut the trees. We have our neighbors, they have a lot of tall eucalyptus plantain, yeah, and they cut them last year, so we finally have more sunlight during the day, because normally before it was like around 2 o'clock, it was already shady. We didn't have any more sun, and I don't know, it's not that I got traumatized, but man, I need a lot of light, especially in the winter. You really feel that when you don't have, and it's cold also. So I am digressing. The windows. So that is what we are gonna that I'm really excited about to do. and this week we are gonna be a little bit busy with other project and work. So next week, hopefully, we're gonna start with it and then continue with the windows. We're gonna make 1, 2, 3 windows of the car glasses. And yeah, we just went to the to a mechanic, and he had car shields. Just we could just took them for free, and they actually that's really amazing that you can get those things for free. And they're very tall, so yeah, I'm really excited with that. How we're gonna do it. Amazing. For the rest, I think that's a little bit for today, the update for today. And Danielle is also, my partner is also making a newsletter, so you can also watch that. There is a link below that you can subscribe to. And he is a little bit of the writer of our family. And for the rest, yeah, for now, I'm just gonna leave it to this. And next time we're gonna get with the windows. We're gonna get going with the windows on the next video, which I'm really excited about. So, and for the rest, if you enjoy this update and you want to follow our journey, hit the subscribe button, like the video, because it helps us a lot. And for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.